This was a fun project. I got 4 shirts. Basically, this one is a double spiral, and I used colors that are listed here of chartreuse, ultraviolet, blue, turquoise, and lavender. Love the way it turned out. The next one I did was a fan fold, a double fan fold, and I used purples and blues in this one. Also love the way this one turned out, but kind of surprised me because I didn't actually remember that I had double folded it. This is an accordion fold using blues and greens that I absolutely love. It's one of my very favorites so far. And then last but not least, the paw print, where I used turquoise around the paw print, purples, and reds. So what you think? I really liked all of them.